Zero Turn mowers have made it easier than ever to keep your lawn looking sharp without spending hours behind the wheel. They're fast, easy to steer, and built to handle tough jobs, but finding a good one under $4,000 can take some digging. That's where this list comes in. We've picked 6 of the best zero-turn mowers that offer solid performance, comfort, and durability without crossing that price line. Whether you're mowing a small lot or managing a few acres, there's something here for you. All product links are in the description. Let's take a closer look at the lineup. Number 6. Cub Cadet ZT146. If you're looking for a solid entry point into the world of zero-turn mowers without jumping straight into the deep end, the Cub Cadet ZT146 is a smart place to start. It's reliable, well-built, and priced right for homeowners who want more performance than a traditional riding mower without overspending. Under the hood, you get a 22 HP Kohler 7000 series V-twin engine. Enough muscle to handle small to mid-sized properties with ease. It's responsive without being too aggressive, which makes it approachable if you're new to zero turns. The 46-inch stamped deck gives you a good balance between cutting width and maneuverability. It's wide enough to get the job done quickly, but still compact enough to work around landscaping, trees, and fence lines. The dual hydrostatic transmissions make steering smooth and precise, with nice control even in tighter areas. Comfort-wise, it's got everything you'd expect for the price. The high back seat is well cushioned, the lap bars are responsive without feeling twitchy, and the open frame design makes it easy to hop on and off or do routine maintenance. That said, it does have its limits. It's not built for steep inclines or large open acreage. The deck size and engine strength are best suited for yards up to about 2 acres. But for level terrain and regular use, it's hard to beat at this price point. Overall, the ZT146 offers a dependable cut, a comfortable ride, and great value for first-time buyers or homeowners looking to upgrade from a basic mower without overspending. Number 5. John Deere Z320R and Z325E. If you want that classic John Deere reliability without crossing into premium pricing, the Z320R and Z325E are 2 options worth considering. Both models come in under $4,000. While they share a lot of features, there are a few key differences that might sway your decision one way or the other. The Z320R runs on a 21.5 HP Kawasaki engine and comes equipped with a 42-inch axle deep mower deck, a solid combo for smaller yards with tighter spots. The Z325E steps it up with a 24 HP twin-cylinder engine and a 48-inch deck, giving you a little more power and cutting width for larger lawns. What both models do well is comfort and ease of use. The seats are well padded and both include armrests and wide-foot platforms that make long mowing sessions more manageable. The Z320R also adds LED headlights, a small feature, but handy for those end-of-day mow jobs when the light's starting to fade. Maintenance is another area where these mowers shine. John Deere's flip-up foot platform makes it easy to access the deck for cleaning or blade changes, which can save you time and frustration. Keep in mind, though, these mowers aren't designed for rough fields or overgrown acreage. They're best used on maintained residential lawns where a smooth, even cut is the goal. If you're already a fan of the brand or want a mower backed by a wide service network, either of these will check the boxes. Between the solid build quality, trusted engines, and smart design, the Z320R and Z325E are great mid-range zero turns with that classic green and yellow dependability. Number 4. Toro TimeCutter 77505. The Toro TimeCutter 77505 is all about speed, control, and comfort, making it a great fit for homeowners who want to cut down mowing time without giving up ride quality. This model brings some smart design features into the sub-$4,000 category, with a focus on getting the job done fast and clean. It's powered by a 22 HP Kohler V-twin engine and equipped with a 50-inch iron forge fabricated deck, a noticeable upgrade over stamped decks when it comes to durability and long-term wear. The deck size also means you can cover more ground per pass, which is a major time saver for properties that push beyond an acre. One standout feature here is Toro's smart speed control system. It gives you 3 preset ground speed ranges: trim, tow, and mow, so you can dial in how fast you want to move based on what you're doing. It's a simple but very practical feature that helps even less experienced users feel confident with speed control. Comfort and usability are strong too. It comes with a suspension seat that cuts down on the bumps, plus a built-in storage cubby and cup holder. Small things, but nice to have during longer sessions. If there's a downside, it's the bulk. While it handles open spaces well, the wider frame makes it a bit clumsy in tighter yards or around heavy landscaping. It's also not the quietest mower in this list, though it's far from unbearable. For someone who wants the size and durability of a semi-commercial machine without the high price tag, the TimeCutter 77505 delivers great value with a solid blend of power, control, and comfort. Number 3. John Deere Z330R. If you like the idea of the Z320R but need something with a little more punch, the John Deere Z330R is the natural next step. It brings more power, more cutting width, and a few added features that make it better suited for larger lawns, all while staying just under that 4,000 ceiling. This model runs on a 23 HP V-twin engine and features a 54-inch axle deep mower deck. That extra width means fewer passes across open areas, which can make a noticeable difference if you're mowing 2 acres or more. The deck design is also built to improve airflow and cut quality, giving you a clean, even finish across a range of grass types. Comfort doesn't take a back seat either. The Z330R comes with a high back seat, armrests, and spring suspension to soften the ride. It's designed for longer mowing sessions, and you'll notice the difference after a full run. The foot-operated deck lift is another ergonomic bonus, easier and faster than reaching down to adjust deck height by hand. John Deere includes LED headlights and a rear engine guard as standard here, both small details but useful ones. The lights help with low light visibility, and the guard adds a little protection to the engine when backing up near trees or fencing. This mower does edge close to the top of the price range, but it packs a lot of value for the money. If you're managing multiple acres and want a machine that can keep up without jumping into commercial territory, the Z330R is a serious contender with solid upgrades where they count. Number 2. Cub Cadet UltimaZT154P. For those who want something that feels a little more commercial without blowing past the 4,000 mark, the Cub Cadet UltimaZT154P stands out as one of the most rugged and feature-packed options in this lineup. It's built with durability in mind and designed to handle large residential properties with ease. One of the first things you'll notice is the steel tubular frame. It gives the mower a sturdy, reinforced look and feel that's rare at this price point. Under the seat, you'll find a 24 HP Kohler 7000 series V-twin engine paired with a 54-inch fabricated deck, offering plenty of cutting power and width for big yards or open areas. The dual hydrostatic transmissions provide smooth and responsive control, even when you're working across uneven ground or maneuvering around obstacles. The ZT154 also checks the boxes for comfort, with a fully adjustable high-back seat, wide ergonomic lap bars, and a footrest fitted with a comfort mat to cut down on vibration during longer mowing sessions. The open-frame design is practical too, not just for looks. It gives you easy access to the engine and other components, making routine maintenance or quick fixes much less of a hassle. It's worth noting that the ZT154P might feel oversized for smaller or more compact lawns, especially if you have a lot of landscaping or tight turns. But if you've got space to work with and want a mower that can cover a lot of ground while holding up to repeated use, this one fits the bill. Overall, it's a great mix of power, durability, and comfort, ideal for homeowners with larger properties who want something reliable and tough without crossing into commercial pricing. Number 1. Toro TimeCutter Max 77504 Havoc Edition. If you're looking for near commercial performance at a residential price, the Toro TimeCutter Max 77504, especially the Havoc Edition, is as close as it gets under 4,000. It's the largest, most powerful mower in this list, and it's built for serious users who need to mow big spaces quickly and consistently. This model comes equipped with a 24.5 HP Toro V-twin engine and a 60-inch iron-forged fabricated deck, the widest of the group. That size gives it serious cutting power and coverage, perfect for large properties, pastures, or multi-acre lots. The heavy-duty frame and deck construction give it a solid, planted feel that holds up well under repeated use. Toro's Smart Speed system makes a return here, letting you toggle between trim, tow, and mow modes depending on what you're doing. It's a feature that keeps the machine feeling controlled even with all that power behind it. Comfort-wise, it's ready for long hours of work. You get a high-back suspension seat, armrests, and a wide foot platform, all of which help reduce fatigue. The Havoc Edition adds an aggressive styling touch. Blacked-out frame, bold decals, giving it a more premium, utility-focused look. Because of its size and power, it does require a bit more attention in terms of maintenance, and it's definitely not ideal for small or tight yards. But for open areas and large lawn projects, it's one of the most efficient machines in its class. In short, the TimeCutter Max 77504 delivers the fastest, widest cut in this lineup with build quality that edges toward commercial, making it the top choice for homeowners who want more from their mower without going over budget. So that wraps up our list of the top 6 zero-turn mowers under $4,000. Whether you're mowing a tight half-acre or a wide-open 3, there's something here to match your needs and budget. From compact frames to wide 60-inch decks, each model brings a solid mix of performance, comfort, and durability to the table. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details on each mower. If you've already got a favorite or have experience with one of these, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.